You need to decide. Because there are a lot of people around you will tell you you can't make it. Tonight, you need to map your mind in your future. You need to put a pin on the destination you want to happen in your life. This is about mapping the future. Why? Because as a leader of your team, you need to be visionary. You need to be a visionary leader. Why? Because you will lead your team to a place na hindi pa sila nakakapunta. You will tell them stories. You will tell them how you feel. You will tell them what will happen to us the same way I'm doing to you. In the last 13 years, I always tell you, huwag niyong tayaan yung pera ko, mauubos yun. Ang tayaan niyo lagi sa akin, yung sinasabi ko. Kasi yung sinasabi ko, dadalhin tayo nito sa pangarap.